Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Lucky Orukpe don't give Abat Obaze another chance to apologize because of wetin he talk say make Esan people go put their house in order. This time around na 72 hours na Comrade Lucky Orukpe give Abat make he take come out come apologize to Esan people. He also talk say if Esan no come out as governor of Edo State 2024, Esan people go create their own state. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Lucky Orukpe. Enjoy the video.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depends where you dey watch me from. My name na Comrade Lucky Orukpe. Now maybe the president of the Traders Welfare Union, also the convener Esan Gender Movement worldwide. Yesterday, we advised Abat Obaze for insults we give to Esan people. But today, we want to give an ultimatum. Before I go ahead for the ultimatum, I would like to show the world the insult we insult the Esan people. I would like to show the world. See,
put your house in order. Speak in one voice. If you are united, you will get Esan 2024. But if we sense any division, or if there's any division among the Esan, now they will just a story. Voice me. This morning I caught somebody in Europe.
Right. Waiting Abat Obaze they try to do here. He won't try to do satanic advice. It's like he won't try to advise Esan people, which not be the major thing what they send her to do. There is a meeting that is going on now. Try to project affirm a person, which I don't want to mention it for now. Abat Obaze is not advising Esan people, and Esan people don't need Abat Obaze advice. They don't need the advice. Because why we decided to give an ultimatum today, now to let her know say Esan people, we are very intelligent. Esan gender, when we talk about the full meaning of equal rights and justice. In case you don't know the meaning about Obaze, the full meaning of Esan gender na equal rights and justice. As a human rights activist, when I be, it's very painful to see that some persons will see white, they go to call them black. This time not be to talk about I'm from Esan, I'm from Afema, I'm from Benin. We need to talk about we be Edo. Actually, if we say we be Edo, we must bring that equal right and justice slogan. What will be the equal right and justice will make us the Esan people worldwide, Esan people in diaspora, Esan people in different states in Nigeria. They champion this Esan agenda. They say since 1999 till today, that is 22 years, Esan person never do governor, Esan person never do deputy. 1999, Lucky Benedion come, he do 8 years. After Lucky Benedion, they try to bring Osumbo, court remover, a year and 8 months. Osumbo pitch on the government as a governor. Before they bring Afema man, Adansali Oshomole. Adansali Oshomole do another 8 years. So the governorship position supposed to go to Esa Land. Then, by the grace of God, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, the current governor of Edo State today, become the governor of the state. And he's doing another 8 years. So, 2024, Abat Obaze, are you expecting the governorship, the governor to go back to Afema or to come back to Benin? Are you expecting that? The election will just pass when Mr. Godwin Obaseki they become the governor. We know the role when the Esan people in diaspora play. We know the role when we play. We escape death, we escape assassin, we escape different offers, different things where we say they bring, where they offer us, we reject them. So when anybody they talk about 2024, you should be very careful. We know the price when a dope people in diaspora play to make sure say Mr. Godwin Obaseki come back. We also know the effort when Adaso Shomole make to make sure say Mr. Godwin Obaseki no go back to government house. But Edo in diaspora, all of them come together. All of them come together to make sure say they begin to call their people, spend their money, print more t-shirts and everything. Both the Esan people send them for the campaign of Mr. Godwin Obaseki. At the end of the day, we should not be talking about disunity, because the statement of Abat Obaze, now the statement of disunity be that Esan people all over the world now, they are not happy with Abat Obaze. They are not happy with Abat. Now me the champion Esan gender movement worldwide for Nigeria. Everywhere where governor go for last election, we know how we take follow on. I know how we take mobilize the Traders Welfare Union for 18 local government and the Esan gender movement members all over the world for Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Only Traders Welfare Union for 18 local government of Edo State, we get all over 40,000 traders. We give Mr. Godwin Obaseki that block vote. All the crisis, all the attack when we get during that election, when it just passed for Edo State, when Mr. Godwin Obaseki take go back to government house, Mr. Godwin Obaseki not give me one error. I will not do and say, may come give me money. We do our best on say, you scratch my back, I scratch your back. You do for me, I do for you. So Mr. Godwin Obaseki need to write a name with golden pen come 2024. Abat Obaze now will even day where they decide who want to be governor for Edo State. No. Abat Obaze cannot be there where they want to decide who want to be governor. So that one where Abat Obaze they talk. Say if Esan people not unite. If Esan people not unite. Now voice me. Who tell you say Esan people they quarrel? Who tell you say Esan people, Esan politicians they quarrel? The last election where it passed, when Mr. Godwin Obaseki take come to power, Gideon Ikine step down, a step aside. Kenny Maswagbon, the rice man, step aside. They are from Esan. Do you think that they are stupid? Do you think that they are coward for giving Mr. Godwin Obaseki chance to complete his 8 years? So, Abat Obaze, we just come to give you ultimatum today. Before I reach that ultimatum section, I want to advise you, never again in your life to look Esan people as pushover. Never again in your life to look Esan people as minority in Edo State. As a detribalized Nigeria, Let us talk about Edo State. The Benin, the Afema, the Esa people, they are the one that will decide for 2024. The last election way passed, when Mr. Godwin Obaseki come out, Ize-Iyamu come out, that election was not for Obaseki and Ize-Iyamu. It was masses that decide. The same masses that decide for last election in Edo State, come 2024, they will decide. Not be only you want vote for governor, Abat Obaze. We know what we do. Even when we dey go everywhere with the governor, you personally call me. Tell me, say, make I come meet you. You give me some t-shirts, you give me some flyers, you give me some cap, then you give me 200,000 cash to pay the bus drivers where they carry all the Esan people. Follow Mr. Godwin Obaseki. All these are donations when Edo people bring for you. All these are donations where we say Esan people bring for you. All these are donations where we say Afema people bring. So what will make you think, say, come 2024, the Afemas, the Benis, and Esa not going to come together? We are talking about injustice. Injustice to one is an injustice to all. Abat Obaze. At this stage, I suppose to the hear for your mouth, say na Esa tongue. Put yourself for Esa people's shoe. Since 1999, Esa never do governor, Esa never do deputy. That yoke must be broken in 2024. We want to declare today the ultimatum. All Esa people all over the world, listen to this ultimatum where if Abat Obaze refused to come out 72 hours from now to apologize to the Esa people, because he says some people, youth, they're lazy. May they go work. May they not they make noise again for social media. I don't know who they make noise. I hereby declare, as the president, Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, I hereby declare, as the convener, Esa and Gender Movement Worldwide, all Esa people all over the world, and lovers of freedom all over the world, we are giving about Obaze 72 hours. Failure to apologize to the Esan people. All the Esan people should pull out for a platform. All the Esan people should pull out for Abat Obaze YouTube platform. After all, the YouTube they pay $2,000 every month. Yes, that your subscription that you are using to watch Abat Obaze, where they insult your people where be Esan, YouTube they pay. So we have given that ultimatum. 72 hours from today, if Abat Obaze not come out to apologize to the Esan people, all the Esan people and lovers of freedom pull out from that platform. Secondly, Mr. Godwin Obaseki, we thank God that Oshemore he not succeed for your body. What did they be planned for you, Mr. Godwin Obaseki? Now for you not to go back to government as again. But God can bring the Benis, the Afemas, and the Esan people to put shame for your opposition body. The 5 local governments in Esan land come together en masse to give you their vote. There is a plan on ground now that is going on to shortchange Esa come 2024. We not say make una no plan, make anybody no plan. No. If God willing, come 2024, the political parties in Edo State, whether na PDP, whether na APC or Labour or AGA, whatever, fail to bring Esa person as governor, we shall begin to agitate for Esan State. Yes, we will begin to agitate for Esan State. And I'm giving Abat Obaze and the people that is doing meeting here and there that come 2024, if Esan not get their governor, we will begin to agitate for Esan State. And 10 years, before 10 years, we will get the Esan State. Then that time, you will know the Esan people value for Edo State. Please, in case you want to call for this program where they go on, you can call me. The number to reach me now plus 234 8053 841781. Come 2024. Any chairman of any political party for Edo State will go collect his Zobo money and he say no one bring us a person to do governor. We will begin to agitate for Esan State. Take me to anywhere, take me to prison. Now me talk am. Comrade Lucky Orukpe. Now me talk am. Before I dey knock my hand for chest, all the Esan in diaspora, all the Esan at home and abroad don't declare am that come 2024. Anything we make them not bring Esan governor come Edo State, we will declare Esan State. Yes, we shall declare Esan State. Because enough is enough of this nonsense. Go to Ikpobauka. Ikpobauka na Esan get am. Go to Ego. Na Esan people get am. Go to Orado na Esan people get am. Hello? Hello? Go to Oriomo na Esan people get am. Go to Okada na Esan people dey there. Everybody will migrate for Esan land because Esan near Benin. All of them dey inside Benin. We will speak in one voice. We will speak in one voice. We just show simple example for last election when Godwin Obaseki and he said Yamu the challenge. We will speak in one voice. Hello? Hello? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Oh, the line is breaking. We will speak in one voice, the Esan people. There is no street in Benin City. There is no street in Benin City when you not go see Esan person build house. No street for Benin when Esan person, Esan man no get house. No bus where you go enter for Benin when you not go see at least 5 to 6, 7 Esan people inside bus. No taxi where you go enter. At least when you don't see 3 Esan people for that taxi. No office where you go for inside Edo State where you not go see Esan people. So therefore, Esan people, we are not pushover. We are not minority in Edo State. If not for the injustice they have been doing to Esan people, and for now they talk about Esan and they talk about Edo State. The work we don't work for Edo State, the humanitarian service we don't do for Edo State since 1997. Even if they give you 30 years about Obaze, you don't fit do them. You not go fit do them. The records are there. Do you know how many Edo people I serve on daily basis on matter of injustice? Do you know how many Edo people I'm serving on the matter of defilement on daily basis? Do you know how many multiple taxation that I have stopped as an Esan man for Edo State? Do you know how many demonic union for Edo State when I don't stop as an Esan man? Today we are giving Abat Obaze 72 hours ultimatum. Failure to come out to apologize to the Esan youth and the Esan people. All the Esan people for diaspora, so make I tell you that they will pull out as your follower. And the freedom lovers. Did you know how much Edo people in diaspora contribute to Mr. Godwin Obaseki election? Do you know how much? Do you know how much? the Esan people, Afema people, the Benis for diaspora. Do you know how much they contribute? Some of the money, some of the t-shirt and the face cap poster, now your hand the pass come. Now part of them you give us more take go they do what they do. Now part of them. Hello? I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you. Please, I'll call you back. I'm on air. Esan people all over the world, this is a challenge. Challenge Ira. Challenge Ira. It may lock your rupe. Ebe mama, oida se, oida gba, oiche gba. Any attempt to shortchange Esan people come 2024, Esan people will declare Esan state and give us 10 years, we will get our state. Esan people get the contact for Abuja to get Esan state. Yes. Esan people get the contact to get Esan state. Come 2024. Because all these political chairmen, listen to my broadcast. If you are APC, bring Esan person come out for governor. If you are PDP, bring Esan person come out for governor. If you are AGA, bring Esan person come out for governor. If you are Labour, bring Esan person come out for governor. Anything short of that, we shall declare Esan state. And only you and your family go vote for yourself. When you say Esan people where they make noise for social media, who they make noise reach you? You insult people on social media, talk to people anyhow. Then you think that you will use Esan people to get more viewers for your YouTube channel, for you to get more money. We will not allow that. We will not allow that. As a convener of Esan gender movement worldwide, if Mr. Godwin Obaseki puts VC for Abrosali University, even if na Igbo man, na Hausa man, Yoruba man, na Benin person or anybody Calabar person, that one not concern me. Waiting concern me na 2024. 2024 is not negotiable. It's for Esan. That yoke must be broken. Peradventure we try our best. And it not work out. We will declare Esan state. Tell the Inspector General of Police, tell the Commissioner of Police, tell the DSS that Comrade Lucky Orukpe say, failure for politicians to gang up 2024, say Esan not going to be governor, we will agitate for Esan state. May everybody day yo. Enough is enough for this nonsense. Abato Baza, I want you to go and find out history. I want you to go and find out history about Esan people. Hello? Go and ask about Esan people. The freedom that you are enjoying today. Now, Tony, now from Uromi. Now I move the motion. Now I move the motion. Are you hearing me? The second person all over the world on COVID-19 matter for United States of America, now Esan person. The best doctor all over the world, the best engineer, the best, they are from Esan. Go and find out about Esan professional. We have the contact to get our Esan state. You dey talk for your video say whether Esan leader or Esan politicians support wetin Esan people, Esan gender they do. Who tell you say Esan people they quarrel? Did anybody come and meet you as a counselor to come and advise Esan people? So we have just come today to give you ultimatum. To give you ultimatum. To apologize to Esan people. When you apologize to Esan people, when you apologize to some people, they will not know, say na mistake you make. So if you don't apologize, now be say that meeting one they do for affirm a person to be governor come 2024, you know work. You know work. Because even the affirmer, the last election for Godwin Obaseki election, how many local government Mr. Godwin Obaseki win for affirmer? Yes, how many local government? Because very soon they wash our dirty in there for outside. Yes. I'm not looking for appointment because what me don't do for Edo State since 1997. If na state will be say that they recognize good work, they're supposed to come appreciate me and my followers. Since 1997, you know how many legal tickets I don't stop for this state as an ESA person. So if you are waiting for me to come and join one political party, I can never in my life join any political party. I not be PDP, I not be APC, I be human rights activist. Hello? Hello, I'm hearing you. Good afternoon. Okay. Yes. 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 We know they talk about tribal settlement here. We they talk about injustice. Everybody where they watch me, now about injustice, now we they talk about. The full meaning of race and gender and injustice where some people they pass through. All of us now do. Nobody special past each other. All of us now do. Nobody special past each other. The Afemas, the Bini, the Esa, all of us now one. If we are true brothers, we should say the truth. If we are true brothers, this is the time we should say the truth. This is the time all of us will come out to say Esa people have been marginalized since 22 years. The political space now for the 3 senatorial districts, not before 2 senatorial districts. I know the suffer, I know the pains, and I know the attack when I escape from Mr. Godwin Obaseki campaign, the last campaign. I not stay fence. I come down for fence. Me and my team and my Esan people, we go around follow Mr. Godwin Obaseki. You know, pay us one error. Now Bible, new Bible, now I give Mr. Godwin Obaseki for Onoje Palace for Obiaja. We meet well for the governor of the state. Because I know nonsense governor. So you know they part of waiting about they talk for social media. All lesser people, be rest assured that come 2024, if the political parties in Edo State try to betray some people, we will declare our state, Esa State. So now be everything I'll fit talk for social media. In case you want to call me as an Esa person, we are only calling me. Well, the strategy not the we are calling Obano 7 plus 234 80 53 84 17 81. Ordinarily, I'm not supposed to challenge Abat. I didn't say Abat, do the right thing. If Abat do the right thing, I know challenge. As a human rights activist, I know they get reserved for people where be say they do hiki. After you don't insult some people for the starting of a video, you want to advise them for the middle of a video. Then before you end the video, you say all these Eastern youth where they make noise for social media, may they go look for work. How many Eastern youth don't come beg you for food for house? You okay, son? Share this video. Share this video. Share this video. How many Eastern people don't come beg you? How many Esan don't come beg you? Esan youth don't come beg you for food. About Obaze? How many Esan youth? As you see me, so I be trader. I'm just a trader, and I'm very comfortable with the blessings of God in my life. Now where I did, now you call me Congo Meta say me I can carry t-shirt and face cap and 200,000 more to pay for bus drivers. What they carry our people follow Godwin Obaseki for last election. Ordinarily, I know come meet you and I don't get the anointing for begging. Even people that they give appointment for government house today, work when I work, me and my team. They don't work on. Yes. Yes. Your own at today social media, they do the matter. But we do everywhere. Inside market, motor park, house to house, for ESA, village to village, inside water everywhere. We go everywhere. Go market or Baseki today. So the masses of Edo State, they are waiting come 2024. The good news about it, we say, Igbo people, so many of them, they are married to ESA women. About Obaze, if you don't know, Igbo people in Edo State, Igbo people in Benin, so many of them, they are married to ESA women. That is to say, if the ESA woman they vote, the husband go they vote as an in-law. The husband go they vote. Hello? Hello? I still there on air. Call me 30 minutes time. So, majority of Igbo people for Benin, now ESA they marry, about they go and find out, now market a day. That is to say, come 2024, if the ESA woman they vote, the Igbo man as an in-law, go follow our direction. Go and check the Yorubas. Majority of the Yorubas for Benin, they marry ESA. Hausa, they marry ESA. So, we have a lot of in-law across everywhere. Where we say they go join us and people fight. Where we go join us and fight. So Igbo Christian eriwo den eriwo wa. Wa wen wo. Wa ja ku obo gbe na re kan lo kan na. Ono kan na ni ba ge yan yo kan no seme. O kan no si Igbo Christian rebe no. Adam ye governor Sesa. Esa kere gbe na re develop. Olezemada kwa ni governor na. Senator, House of Rep, House of Assembly. That's about the desire development in one direction. Adam ye Oriesa Osabo ayi governor 2024. Nara developers and omiye here no. If you are a vow and a suffer with that, eki vow do wina. Or is a madalwana. One wo. My more strategy now win election over the 2024. What calling me? What have discussed? On na ye mo na zobolo tuopa. Sade me zabati obo. Not continue with social media. The way no are rubbish before we kwele eki do age esa people. Push over my kikibe do or minority my kikibe do. We are sick. Esakpoa. We are siego. Esakpoa bijerebe. We are valorado. Esakpoa. Eju wakire nai. Esa agenda. Or Rivi Kano. Or Rivi Abuja. Or Rivi Taraba State. Or Rivi Port Harcourt. Or Rivi Jos. We have 36 state coordinator on Esa agenda. We are very ready for 2024 election. You okay, Saba Dadu? Any gear veneri besa. Ba when wo. O seno blame rebiba. Ba touchy politicians in eri besa rebe. Ba biele. O onayo nara yo. Uro mi meki. Ekpo ma meki. Ubiaja meki. Iruwa meki. Igwebe meki. Pacha mue mono sesa. Nage ne viole no se. Ona kidage onwe karata no me. Pacha gbon rebe support because me mama le plan iriwoto plan ogbori woto fonya nere mue woni governor na shin afema. Oidagba o seno plan on moto no mokun odi rahu mama rekondo kona in case we honu wari chine number no seme +234 8053 841781. We are calling me or yo, we are calling my private number +234 9021 21 41 5041. Hello. Well done, my brother. Well done.
Are you Lucky Orupe?
Yes. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you. I'm on air. I will call you back 10 minutes time. I want pass here. Appreciate everybody. We work the way me take work. All of us will be say we bring our time out. We take work for Mr. Godwin Obaseki for last election. I want to appreciate you now. But Obaza, me and you know, if not be say Mr. Godwin Obaseki win that election, me for not dey Benin, you for not dey Benin, Apostle for not dey Benin, Pastor Apostle for not dey Benin, Stalios Anokwenokwudi for not dey Benin, Imajoka for not dey turn again. All of us will not run Ezra. So Abato Obaza not claim glory. Not claim glory where go spoil your name. Not claim glory where go spoil your name. Now advice they advise you. Every man need to drop their pride. When you drop your pride, God will lift you up. Now so God to the work. Hello. Good afternoon.
I give your number.
No problem. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. I want to appreciate all the ESA agenda people. I'll first of all start. Hello.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you, sir?
Good afternoon.
Yeah, this is Alfred Talk.
Okay.
I received 2 bottles that were
Okay.
sent yesterday.
Okay. I'll call you back. I'm on air, sir. I'll call you back.
Okay.
I want to appreciate all the brothers and sisters who fight for Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Our brothers and sisters for diaspora. And those in diaspora, God will bless you now. And those diaspora women, God will bless all of you now. I want to appreciate our brothers and sisters where they say no, we're not going to let Oshemore put Obaseki for shame. That corporation now we need 2024 to help the Asa people. All of us now one. Asa, Benin, Afema, all of us now one. But what will they talk about here now injustice? When injustice is there, some people will not be happy. I want to thank our diaspora coordinator, Asa Gender Movement Worldwide, all our coordinators for different countries. We want to thank you now. All the Asa Gender Movement coordinator for 36 states. Wabulo Bulu. All the Asa Agenda coordinator for 18 local governments of those states. Wabulo Bulu. Keep on the mass orientation to Asa people. That victory will surely come one day, one day. We have come today to give Abacha Obaze ultimatum, 72 hours ultimatum to apologize to the ESA people. Failure to come out after 72 hours. All ESA in diaspora and freedom lovers all over the world, they shall pull out from Abacha Obaze YouTube channel. Because on that YouTube channel, they insult on our people so. And not go forget to appreciate the Nigie who use their mind to work, follow Obaseki for ESA. A vote for Obaseki, what we do last is a vote for ESA governor. That is our belief. Lastly, Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Now we, you the shares of the now come for chest, so now we go sell your matter inside market. Now we go to do the campaign, they go. I know how many times you appreciate, you tell me thank you for different locations where you foresee me. I know how many times. I quite appreciate that. I was not doing all that for you to give me money. I was doing it for you to hand over to ESA governor. Yes. I was doing it. And all ESA people and the dope people in the diaspora was supporting you. Why? Because make you hand over to ESA governor come 2024. As far as I'm concerned, Abacha Obaze have no stake to decide who become the governor in Edo State. No God for that reason. Now all of us fight. Mr. Godwin Obaseki, check ESA land, call the best character there, and support that person for governor. Now, waiting, I want to end my video with that. Other we're calling it. We're calling it on way forward of ESA land. You are very free to call me. You are very free to call me, provided you want to talk about the way forward of ESA land. Plus 234 8053 841781. If you want to call my private line, plus 234 9021 41 5041. God bless the Benis. God bless the Afemans. God bless the ESA people. And God bless Nigeria. Come 2024, if the politicians decided not to give ESA governor, irrespective of any political party that have made that decision, we have no choice than to demand for ESA state. Thank you. As you are listening to me, this message is from the entire ESA people all over the world, including ESA in diaspora, that come 2024, if political parties go collect money, go collect bribe for anybody hand, say they don't want to give ESA person governor, the ESA people will begin to agitate for ESA state. Have it in back of your mind. And give us 10 years. With our contact, we will get ESA state. Everybody will go their own. My name still remain Comrade Lucky Orukpe, the president of the Traders Welfare Union of Nigeria, the convener, ESA Agenda Movement worldwide, and the report from Edo State, Nigeria.
Now we don't hear from Comrade Lucky Orukpe, let us know what you think for this matter. Go to comment section, make you put your own for there. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.